World's most romantic travel destinations. A journey through love. From the city of love, Paris, to the timeless beauty of Venice, there's no shortage of romantic destinations around the world. Starting with Bali, Indonesia. With its lush jungles, pristine beaches, and vibrant culture, Bali offers a tropical paradise for lovebirds. The Greek island of Santorini is a true gem, with its stunning sunsets, charming villages, and stunning views of the Aegean Sea. The Austrian capital of Vienna is a city of romance and elegance, with its grand palaces, magnificent gardens, and world-famous music scene. With its winding canals, stunning architecture, and rich cultural heritage, Venice is a city that truly captures the heart. And of course, we can't forget about the city of love itself, Paris. With its iconic landmarks, charming cafes, and breathtaking views, it's no wonder Paris has been a beloved romantic destination for centuries. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.